Betsy is asking Sue to make a dinner for her sister tonight. Her sister is a bit fussy and eats just macaroni and cheese. Betsy doesn't think it's going to be a problem. But Sue doesn't know how to cook them. Betsy tries to explain that it's really easy and that Sue should just follow the instructions on the box. Sue remembers that they have run out of instant macaronis and cheese. Betsy suggests to cook them from scratch. Sue doesn't know how to cook them from scratch either. Betsy tells her to cook the pasta and mix it in cheese, milk, and butter. Sue doesn't believe it can be that easy. Sue warns Betsy if she burns the house, it won't be her fault.